everybody's here.
Hey, Mr. Tyler. This is
Hey,
Lisa. I don't know what's
oh, Lisa
happening with
and
you.
Larry in here. Okay, I'm glad you said that because I'm
No,
not.
this is Lisa.
Oh, just Lisa. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, look, who's supposed to be in class? We did say all the norms, right? We did. We take pride. All right, so we're
Yep.
just gonna do the basic norms for today because we only got a little time and we'll work on the academic ones tomorrow. But we have to do that every day, so just be mindful of that. Now, everybody see my screen? Should be in the teacher's view. I'm sorry, not well in my view, but do you see my
I
screen?
see. Yeah, I see you.
I see a screen.
Okay. So the link worked fine and everything, right? So today's class can be real
Yeah.
easy. All you need to do is you have to type up. Start with a Google Doc, right? So
Wow.
like we did in the summer. I don't know who did I have for summer school. Anybody? No, I guess nobody. All right. So
You
what
said
we
open
did,
up a Google Doc.
yeah, you want to open the Google Doc and you want to resize your screen so you can see what's in SB like I'm doing. Can you? I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then also, I'm gonna take this here, and all I did is I dragged the tab over. This is why like you need to be in a computer because you have so much more access. But I understand, Angel, you're gonna get it tomorrow, maybe, or whatever the case may be. Just
No, today.
try to be on a computer. This stuff will be hard on you if you try to do it all on the phone. All right, so
I know.
go ahead. What'd you say, Angel? Were you saying
I
something?
said. I said I know.
Okay, okay. So all I did is I resized these screens so that I have two screens, and we're gonna go to Google Docs, right? Before I get too ahead of myself, I need to do attendance. Let me do that right now. So all you guys are here. Everybody else is gonna probably be late. I do have to let you know if you miss 9 days of instruction. That means being online on time and everything. I think you'll be kicked out of the class, and it goes for like all classes. I gotta get more details, but try to be here every day because this program will go real fast with you guys. As if you're here. So where's my attendance at?
I gotta download this Google Docs thing.
You gotta download it. Okay, take your time.
Yeah, but this is fast.
Okay. Okay, so there's attendance here. I'm trying to get to my attendance screen, guys. I'm sorry.
Mrs. Tyler,
Yes.
is it okay if I change the account? Because I thought I changed
Yeah,
it to
just
my Gmail.
come right back. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So we could just label it do now.
Right. For some reason my attendance screen is not showing. That's weird. But I can see you guys over here. All right, I'm gonna come back to them on that. I know who's here because I'm recording. I'll fix that. All right, so that is creepy. Because usually attendance will pop right up, and it didn't. So we're gonna create a new doc, right? And it's like we've always done. You gotta put your header in there, right? So you can put just new now and the date. You can come back to it, and you want to get in the habit, guys, of doing this because when you have a test with me on Fridays, you'll be able to go back to your Google Docs like as if it was your notebook, you know. So you definitely want to have that in your back pocket. One second, I think some students calling. Hello.
We got tests on Fridays. Holy moly.
Okay. All right. Sorry about that. A student calling about a Chromebook. Last minute thing. All right, so let's power through this because I want to make sure you guys have enough time to take your break and everything. But we got a lot to do. So,
Mr. Tyler,
yes, go ahead.
we got tests on every Friday.
Yes. Let's see, so today's date is 8th. That's why it's important for you to be here so you'll know what's on the test. If you've been here every day taking notes and doing the work, and I have moments where I have you share out. So at this point, you should have everything I typed on the screen ready to go to share out in a moment, so I can give you participation points. So
You're not presenting. I don't see you presenting the screen.
you don't see my screen,
No, yeah, I don't see you presenting the screen.
right? So are you in the Google Meet app or no?
Yeah.
Right, and there's a presentation going, so you got to click on the one that says presentation.
Oh yeah, I'm on it, but I don't see it. It says your mic is mute on that one.
Right, on that one is the mic is muted, but the screen is visible. Jacqueline and Courtney, do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, so he's got to reboot. Yeah, he left and came. He got to come right back though. So you're typing all this up, right? And then we're in period 2, and this would be physics. Okay, so I have this typed up. Not my name, but your name, right? And today's due now is basically dimensional analysis. And that in the middle. And we're going to take the problem from here. So you see here, I put in there, hello all physics and computer science, right? But the problem starts here. You can convert your age from years to seconds with these additions to your age, right? And you got to show all steps. Copy this part, and I'll put that here. It should be easy for some that have had my class already. It's just to get the mind working on how to at least do dimensional analysis. Okay, so let me make a note as to when Angel left. I was going to call home. Oh boy. So try to catch up to where I am, everybody. At least have that much typed up.
I can't really see the words.
Oh, okay. You want me to blow it up for you?
Please do.
Let's try this. Can you see better now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, he's back, the man.
I'm back.
Awesome. You had to reboot or something?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Well, we're here now, so you got to catch up and try to type this much up, because before we leave, we're going to do share outs. What'd you say, Angel?
I missed something. I missed anything?
Yeah, you got to. Can you see the presentation screen?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Right. So you got to at least type this much up. You're going to start a Google Doc, right? It says 8/9/2020, or just the date. And then you're going to put the header like I have. That's not going to be my name. It's going to be your name. And you're going to put the problem there. So take a few moments to get that done. And then once you do that, I'm going to ask everybody to share their screen. So take your time. At least get that much done.
All right.
All right, you do good? Okay, that was quick. So you must have copied it over, huh? Okay, so yeah, because you said you was done.
I didn't say I was done. I said okay.
Oh, okay, I couldn't hear you. My bad. so let's take a look here. We got Jacqueline, we got myself, we got relatively 3 people. Out of how many students? They got the link and everything. So it's 16 of y'all. That 9-day rule, man, they're really messing it up.
Tyler, I ain't even gonna lie. I forgot how to do that.
How to do what?
How to convert my age from to.
It's okay. We're gonna go through it. I'm gonna use my age, and you guys got to use your age. So don't panic. Use honest. I forgot how to do that. You used to do it real well in class, but time out of class, huh? All right, so let's jump into it. That is crazy. I don't understand where my attendance went for physics. All right, so let's get started. You want to start out with basically taking what you know in standard conversions, right? So before I get into that, let's share out. What do you have? Each of you can I'm gonna stop presenting so you can present. Each of you, I need you to share out what you have, right? And the problem that you're typing up is inside of Edsby. You just go and find it. If you copy and paste it, it's really easy. You don't have to retype everything. But who wants to share first what they have?
I'm not done. Cause my stuff is I'm on my phone, so it's downloading.
You said it's downloading?
Yeah, I'm getting my computer back today, cause I gotta go back home.
Yeah, you're gonna need it. All right. So what about Courtney or Jackie? Do you guys have the ability to present screen?
I don't even know how to do that.
Dang, dude. All right. So you come to the corner of you're in Google Meet, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you come down to the right hand corner, you should see something that says "Present Now."
I think that's it. Your entire
So
screen.
you clicked on it. Yeah, click on entire screen. It'll give you an option to choose a screen. You select that. You hit share, and we all should see what you're doing there. There you go. You got it. Quick, dude. All right. Let's see what he got. All right. So good. Now, can you? Lisa's back. All right. So can you go to the tab where your work is? Okay. Looks like you got it. Great. Okay, dude. Can you zoom in some for me? Yeah, I got the same issue you got now. I can't see that too well. Hey, thanks, brother. Okay. All right. Cool. You can stop sharing. You write down Courtney.
I can stop.
Yeah, you can stop because I need to let somebody else share. Lisa, I'm gonna catch you up in 1 second, dear. We just gotta share out Jackie's next. Jackie, can you do the same steps I gave to Courtney, where you just hit the present button, click on entire screen, and then hit share? It should let me see what you're doing. Jacqueline, are you there? Ooh.
It's not letting me share. I don't know why. Like, I'm clicking share and it's not letting me click it.
Okay, well, there's a lot of students saying that, so I'm gonna start calling home and sit down and talk with you guys through this, because you got to be able to share.
I'll keep trying.
Yeah, I know, but maybe it takes a parent sitting with you and getting it done, because tomorrow we got a lot of share outs. We can't not share. So let me write that down so I can follow up call you guys. Come on, show. All right. Next would be Lisa.
Okay, there, it's letting me.
Go. Somebody's not letting you. Y'all physicists. So you can click on, don't hit stop sharing, hit hide, and just show me your work real quick. Yeah, click on that. And you got the right sizes too. You listen.
I can't see.
Okay, Okay, so you see, okay. So if you click on I can see it, but if you click on the maximize boxes,
This?
yep, click on that for one moment, and then change your resolution to 150 if possible. That's a lot better. Okay. Yeah, you got it. That's all I need you to do. Okay, you can stop sharing now. Tell me I can't do it. You figured it out. Now you got to resize your screen. I don't know. All right, Lisa. Let me share my screen and show you what we did, and then we're gonna jump into the problem. So all I need you to do, Lisa, is hopefully you're on a computer, and you see this here or no? Everyone see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay. So now everybody has been doing this. Lisa, you're gonna take the same procedure we did in class. You start with your header. Make sure you name your document like I did, and you're gonna take the problem from here in EDSI. Okay. So if I scroll down, you'll notice this is the problem, right? So I just copied this problem after I typed my header and my title up, and I pasted it here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's do the problem. And I'm going to start with my age. Anybody know how old I am?
30. 40. No. I remember that day when we did that live.
42.
Like
42. Oh, Angel, that's what you think? Oh, I heard. Courtney, you were close. Taking a stab at it?
37.
Nope, he went too down. You had it like in your second
38.
hand.
40.
38. Close. What'd you think, Courtney?
You 40.
Oh, you 39?
I'm 40 years old, guys. Jeez. Y'all trying to make me young. I appreciate that, but that's not the case. So let's start with what we know, our age, right? And that's one of our known values. Now, later on in physics, we're going to get known and unknown values. So keep that in the forefront of your mind. What do we know about the problem, right? So when I say 40 years old, that doesn't mean you put in your type up 40 years old, right? Put your age, right? And I will see that when you send in your reports. So you type not 40 years old, but your age there, right? And I'm gonna come down one, and I'm gonna make a fraction bar. Okay.
How?
What's wrong?
How?
How what?
How you do that?
Oh, just hit enter, right? And you kind of gotta. It's gonna take some time to get used to it. And you see, you have a keyboard or no?
Yeah.
Right. So do you see the little minus sign? You just press that until you have a nice little line.
Oh, so you just keep pressing it a couple times.
Right. You say how? Like I did something extraordinary. So hit enter one more time. I'm just making this one fraction for you. And we're gonna put this over one. Remember class I said whenever you start with something that you want to convert, you want to put it over one first. Right? So now that we have that, let me come over here. And I'm going to put multiplied by, because we got to make another fraction that's going to allow us to cross things out, right? So what do we know?
Multiplied by 16 days.
16 days? No, brother, we can't do that yet. You trying to do the additions. I was just trying to do the setup first. But okay, you're right, though. I don't want nobody to get lost. What Courtney is talking about is this, right? And we're going to do that later. We're going to take... not the 40, I'm sorry. He's saying, all right, how many days are in a year? Courtney, you're right, but I don't want you to get
65.
You jumping ahead though. 360, thank you, Courtney. That's what I was looking for you to talk about. 365 days in 1 year, right? So the 1 year goes in the bottom because that's the standard conversion right there. In 1 year, you have 365 days. Now, Courtney was alluding to, and I don't want you to get confused. You're going to say, hey, in the problem, you have 16 days, right? So he's like jumping ahead, but we can say plus 16 days there, all right? Now I'm going to leave that there, but Courtney, just help me set the problem up first, and we can go back and put the additions in, all right? Because I think you already know how to do all this. So, Mr. I don't remember what to do.
Mr. Tyler.
I was trying to get a feel for it,
I'm mentioning,
What's
but
wrong?
I'm a like screenshot this so I could do it on my computer.
Sure, that works. If you got questions, make sure you ask. So I'm gonna put like I said to Courtney, I'm gonna put the setup of crossing things out, right? So who can tell me in this what you see here, what crosses out exactly?
The 16 days.
No. So remember, dimensions can be months, years, days, seconds.
The
What crosses out here?
everything.
No, just the year. So you see this? Years crosses out because it's year over year. Well, let me ask a quick question. Lisa, what is Lisa divided by Lisa equal to?
Please.
No, y'all forgot,
Larry.
huh?
Larry?
No, how you get Larry? I said Lisa divided by Lisa.
Oh,
I don't know.
Oh no. What's
what
A
is Lisa
divided by
doing?
A?
A,
No,
B,
no. You get it now. It's one, ladies and gentlemen.
huh?
Oh, you could put it in a math problem.
It is a math problem. You heard letters and got a little confused. So anything divided by
I heard.
itself becomes one. If I say Angel divided by Angel, that's one. If I say Courtney divided by Courtney, that's one. Right? So let's go through this. So the next thing is we want to get all the way to seconds. That's our goal, right? So what do we have next? Well, we got to look at days. How do we cancel days out? What do we know about a day? How many hours
It's
are in one?
24 hours in a day.
Yes,
So you
sir.
put,
Yes, sir. So what do I put? Where do I put in the numerator and denominator?
okay, so on the top you put on the top you put man, I forgot I was just
You
talking
put
about.
24 hours, don't you?
In the top? Is that Jacqueline?
Yeah.
You put that and
She's
then
real quick.
and then on the bottom you put 1 day, right?
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay.
I'm wait till
So what
you
cancels
done.
now? You said, well, Angel?
I'm gonna wait till you done with all the screen your shot.
Just make sure you're following along. All right, so now what cancels is days, right? We'll cancel that out. And this recording I will post inside of Edsby so you guys can go over it again too, if that helps, Angel. So we're close. We got to get through hours, right? And how many hours are in?
Already.
All right, how many? What do we need? We need minutes now, I think, right?
Yeah.
So what do
How
we
many
do?
minutes are in an hour?
Say that again, Courtney.
How many minutes
60
are in an hour?
minutes.
Right. So what is it?
60 minutes.
Okay.
60 minutes.
What goes in the top? What goes in the bottom? You tell me.
The 60
Uh,
minutes go 60 minutes
60
go
top, I
60
think.
minutes go on top and then a minute go on the bottom.
I heard Angel and I heard Courtney express it more. So let's put that in together. You're right, sirs. So 60 minutes goes upstairs. And in the bottom, the conversion for this is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay. So what crosses out this time? Anyone see it?
Hour.
You said what?
Hour.
Yes, that was Jackie. Okay, way to go. That is exactly what cancels out hours. That's hour divided by hour, right? So I can take this and cross that out.
And then
And then you tell me.
seconds in a minute.
That's true, sir. You said it. Well, tell me how it go then.
Put 60 seconds on top, then
Mhm.
put a minute on the bottom.
My
Bottom,
boy.
we got 1 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let me clean this up for you, because what cancels is not the entire thing, but I think it wasn't looking at that correctly. Fix that. So the minutes cancel. Okay. And now we have only seconds. Now, before we finish this off, I'm going to copy this entire thing because I like to do steps, right? And then we're going to put our additions into this big calculation. So that looks like what? Well, we know years are gone, right?
I got a question.
Go ahead. What's your question?
How you just put that line through them words?
You come up here to format.
Let me come back to the thing.
On text, and you go to strike through. Do you see what I'm doing?
Format text strike through.
Yeah.
Format text strike through.
Did you find it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we're going to put the additions in. This recording was talking about way in the beginning. You got 16 days, right? So we just put our days with the days that we had here. The next thing is, do we have any hours? Well, yeah, we got 32 hours, right?
Yep.
We're going to take that and we're going to say 24 plus what? Well, that's 32. And then we have what else? Clean this up some because it got bigger.
Yeah, how you doing?
Got what else? We got 65 minutes. So plus 65. Everybody got allergies. I'm sniffling too. All right.
Oh no, my God.
Okay. So last thing is what? We got 201 seconds. So it's gonna go here. Seconds. Go here. Now the entire thing looks like this. Now we can rewrite it one more time. We can take this top portion because everything over 1 is going to go away. We just use that so we can cancel things out correctly. So the last step, of course, in your steps is this. Then we're going to use a tool called Symbolab to calculate it. So what does that look like? Well, this is going to be equal to, clean this up for you. We no longer have the years, so that's going to be multiplied, right? We no longer have the days. So multiply it, and the hours are gone. And what else? We got minutes, it's gone too. It's like upstairs, all of this is pretty much multiplied together. Was there a question?
I was going to say, can we copy the bottom row too?
Copy the what?
The bottom row.
No, you don't need, you talking about what's underneath here, the fractions?
No, I'm talking about where I say 1 year and 1 day and stuff.
No, you don't need that anymore. We crossed it out, remember? And it's only 1, so you don't have to worry about it no more.
All right.
So now, if you got all these steps, you got majority of the credit. Now, to get the final credit, you need to figure out how old I am, and you're going to find out how old you are. We're going to share out for a couple of minutes and talk about logistics as far as what we're going to do tomorrow and how you should submit this to ESB. Okay. So if I go to Symbolab, and I'm going to put the link in the chat for you guys in case you're not aware what Symbolab is.
I know that. I used to do that over that class.
Oh, cool. Okay. So go to the site. Make sure you guys bookmark Symbolab because you're going to be using it a lot in the physics class. I'm going to put this link over in the chat for you, so you can just click on it and go there. That should be there for you. And
Yeah.
now, okay. So like I have it side by side, I'm going to take this calculation. I'm just going to copy the number setups. I'm going to say copy this to Symbolab. So it did work. It went in Symbolab, enter, and I get, whew, I am old. I mean, I'm like a super dinosaur. How do we say that number? Anybody?
I could barely see it.
All right, let me type it in there. So it's like 2, 7, 8. What else is there? That's 4, 3, 4, 8, and it's like 4 zeros. Jeez, and that's in seconds, right? I mean, that's like seconds old. So now I'm gonna blow it back up for you to see. All right, and how do we say that number? Well, group it in threes, right?
Mhm.
So this will be the first 3. This will be the next 3, and this is the last 3. So we know this is our thousands, this is our millions, and this will be our billions. So I am 27,843,480,000 seconds old. Wow. All right. Well, now it's time for the share out. We're coming close to.
Yeesh.
Yeah, I know I'm really old. So who wants to share how much they've got? You don't have to have everything typed up, but you do need to have majority of this. And I'm going to post a video of this session in Edsby so you guys can re-review it. So
Mr.
who would like to share?
Now, like every time I type, the line is still right there.
You got to go back, Courtney. I know it's an irritating thing. You got to go back and turn it on and off. So you got to highlight what you don't want it to cross through, Courtney, and turn it off by going through the same process.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Tyler,
Yes.
can you put the link back in the chat, please? Because my computer was acting up.
The link for which one, dear?
SimLab, something
SimLab?
for the yeah.
Okay, 1 second. All right, there we are. Do you see it?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, cool.
Got
Cool.
bathroom breaks.
You said what? What happened?
Do we have bathroom breaks?
Do, but first we got to share out and see who did what. What was I going to ask you guys? Because you got a break coming up in like 6 more minutes, Angel. We're going to do Edsby. We're going to take a 5-minute break, and then we're going to talk about. When we come back, we're going to talk about how to submit this or finish it off. And you guys can move to your next period, which is
All right.
11:10. We get ready for GGI. We get GGI 11:20 or lunch. We got lunch 11:20 to 12:20. So let me finish this off. When you're done with this, you definitely want to make sure you hit file.
The whole. I'm sorry.
Hmm?
I said we still get the GGI in the lunchtime.
We got a time frame for that. Yes, 11:20 to 12:20.
I think we're gonna do that virtually.
Well, they are going to do it virtually, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. So download this document as PDF. This is important when you're trying to send me your work, because if you don't, what will happen is the work will sometimes on a Google Doc move around based upon how it's converted to Word or Google Doc. So you click File, like I did, and it already downloaded from me. You go to Download. Once you're done typing everything up, you click on PDF. Once you do that, it'll download and you'll see a file down here. So what it looks like is, you always want to check your work and make sure it converted correctly, is this document, and that image. Make sure you open it up so you can see if you saved it correctly. And that's usually what happens when you do a PDF. All right.
So you're done with right there?
Well, I'm done with this problem, yeah. Right now I'm just showing you guys how to submit it so you get credit. So everybody should have calculated their age in seconds with the additions, like I did. These are all the steps. Do you need to see this again so you can take a snapshot,
Yeah.
Angel? So you should have all this for today.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right.
Next, I downloaded it, right? So now I
Got
gotta
it.
go to Edsby. And if we were, let's use Courtney for instance. Courtney, can you present? And you're not gonna submit it, but I just want to show you the steps because I don't have the student view. I want you guys to see what it looks like for you guys to submit something in class. There you go. You're sharing. You got it. Okay, and go to your EDSB. Oh, you down? You're done with it. Oh, you're not. You're almost through with it. Okay, so yeah, you're in EDSB. Good. Now, click on the assignment itself,
Which one?
the one we were doing today. Right there. And there's two ways to access the assignment, but Courtney, you see that? You already know, Courtney. Yeah. So you click on that, and then it'll browse your computer. Not the Google link, but that browse folder. I think you did it. It's kind of hard to see your screen. All right. Yeah, that's definitely it. And then when you save it, it's going to go to your downloads. So you got a download section in there, Courtney? I think you're on it.
Yeah, I
Right.
ain't get to do it. I wasn't finishing my thing though.
I know, Courtney, but you're just demonstrating for points. So when Courtney's done, you're gonna grab it from there, and you see where his mouse is, but that's where he would save it as a PDF. You would hit save. You can close that, Courtney. And then once you do that, it'll upload to my screen. Thanks for sharing, Courtney. I can share back now. Um, where's this at? So if you see my screen, you'll see the grade book, and this is today's assignment, right?
All right.
So everybody's excellent. Everybody's starting with an A. That's what the E means. But it will change based upon not turning this in. So you want to get this done because your deadline for it is 8 p.m. to have it submitted. So take the time now to finish up. I'm going to set a clock for about 5 minutes. I'm going to come back and I'm going to see who's at least submitted something, okay? And if everybody submitted it, we can leave class early because we technically don't leave until 11:10. So take this 5 minutes. Let me put a clock up here.
Except for me because I'm getting my.
Right, I understand the Angel, but you got to turn it in by 8 p.m. tomorrow at least, or I got to give you an F, Eric. I can't. You got to turn it in.
No, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that.
Okay, all right. So let's set a clock. 5 minutes. Where's my stopwatch at? And use this time to go to the bathroom, get a quick drink of water or something. But when we come back, the rest of class period is just seeing who finished it, and I'll know by looking in EDSB if it's been turned in. So please do that. That'll allow us to leave early. Otherwise, we got to stay here until you guys get it done.
So you said we gotta submit it or we can't do it early?
Right. I need to see it first.
All right, I'm trying to get this last one.
Just work on it. But I take the 4 o'clock. Go ahead. Who's that? Lisa?
No, it's Jackie.
Jacqueline? Okay.
See your thing because it just deleted my thing. So like,
It deleted what?
well, it was just like a little piece. I just want to see it from your thing.
Can you share your screen? Do you know how to undo? Was it if you hit undo, the last step you did, it should allow you to return with the work you was doing.
Oh, okay.
Did that work?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. So again, this 4 minutes that's ticking. Use it to go grab something to eat, stretch legs. When we come back, we're in class until 11:10 though. Got lots of time to finish this up. Just don't want y'all having A's to drop to something else by tomorrow,
Can anybody hear me?
Yeah.
What's up, Lisa?
Yeah.
How your break been going?
Horrible.
Mine's too, bro.
Wait, why is we having this conversation?
Cause I'm bored.
But the call is being recorded.
Lisa's very wise. um, so you want to share out what you want to not share out, but Courtney, did you submit it already, or
Yes, sir.
let me take a look in Nesby? Lisa says it's being recorded. You know that, right? Too smooth with it. Oh, okay. Courtney's done. Jack, let's see what they submitted. Okay, some people are getting out of here a bit early. All right, let's see how old Jackie is. Okay. Looks about right. All right, I'll check it tonight. So far. All right, so let me go through so everybody can leave at the same time. Jackie's done. Who else do we got to look at?
Mine's processing.
Okay. We got. Okay. Courtney's in there. Okay. And Courtney made it big. Now, Courtney, the only thing you did do is you put the seconds. I'm not going to be too petty, but next time I need you to do that. We got 16 and you didn't break off your numbers. But all right. So, if you want more credit, finish it by tonight, or you can leave it as is and you'll see what you get. Did Courtney send me something else? Oh, no, it just now says Courtney. Lisa
Wait,
Brown.
what you say was wrong with mine?
Let me show you. Let me turn this clock off first, sir. 1 second. Okay. Now, let me refresh. And then Courtney was asking, what was wrong with it? Yeah, I see yours popped up, Lisa. I'm going to check it in one moment. Right. So all I was saying is you got to put seconds at the end.
All right.
Right. And then group your numbers in threes. Okay.
All right.
So if you was to say that number, you would first need to group it in threes to know how to say it. So just go back and make that change and resubmit. And you should get full credit once I check all the calculations. All right. Lisa's next. And I know Angel's going to have to I'm going to check back with you tomorrow, see where you're at. Okay, Lisa's looking great. Okay. She said, forget the division bars. So, okay, I understand what you was doing, but try to work on making fractions, Lisa. She said, forget those. All right, cool. This is all very good. All right, so I have nothing else. Look out for tomorrow's assignment sometime around 9 a.m. And get ready for your next period. I'll see you all later. Your attendance has been taken. I'll see you later. Remember, it's 9 days. You're not in the class anymore. You're going to be talking to the principal. It's going to be a bad discussion. So try to make all these days. I promise you, if you make every day, this quarter will fly by. So let's not make it hard on nobody. See you guys tomorrow. You too.
Oh,
Have a good day.
My fault.
Take care, Courtney. See you, Jackie.
Thank you.